Number 1. Spurred by advances in communication and information technology, more and more countries are moving into border-less global community. 1. Enjoined. 2. Forced. 3. Stimulated. 4. Enticed. 5. Favored. The answer is 5. Favored. Number 2. The factory owner's public apology for dumping waste in the river failed to quell the angry residents who were victims of the flash floods. 1. Change. 2. Remove. 3. Pacify. 4. Stop. 5. Disperse. The answer is 3. Pacify. Number 3. Drug addiction is considered a menace to society. 1. Threat. 2. Burden. 3. Challenge. 4. Shock. 5. Curse. The answer is 1. Threat. Number 4. The management propounded some means to solve the existing budgetary problem. 1. Provided. 2. Guaranteed. 3. Anticipated. 4. Promised. 5. Proposed. The answer is 5. Proposed. Number 5. The obviously beleaguered student spoke nothing about the tragic accident. 1. Restless. 2. Confused. 3. Suspicious. 4. Bothered. 5. Unmindful. The answer is 4. Bothered. Number 6. Many believe that in emergency situations, inaction is tantamount to danger or even death. 1. Equivalent. 2. Associated. 3. Prelude. 4. Insignificant. 5. Opposite. The answer is 1. Equivalent. Number 7. The famous environment activists come from illustrious families. 1. Wealthy. 2. Distinguished. 3. Notorious. 4. Dedicated. 5. Controversial. The answer is 2. Distinguished. Number 8. The United Nations extolled the Philippine government for its peacemaker efforts with the insurgents. 1. Acknowledged. 2. Praised. 3. Favored. 4. Appreciated. 5. Cited. The answer is 2. Praised. Number 9. The fundraising project initiated by the Barangay Council was intended for the indigent families in the locality. 1. Homeless. 2. Helpless. 3. Poor. 4. Neglected. 5. Affected. The answer is 3. Poor. Number 10. The labor sector has gained much leverage to advance its cause. 1. Funds. 2. Membership. 3. Capacity. 4. Influenced. 5. Appearance. The answer is 3. Capacity. Number 11. Time lost is irretrievably wasted due to the society's indifference about ecological balance. 1. Irresponsibly. 2. Inescapability. 3. Impossibly. 4. Exceedingly. 5. Permanently. The answer is 3. Impossibly. Number 12. The myth tells of a sentinel outside the tomb. 1. Ghost. 2. Witch. 3. King. 4. Traveler. 5. Guard. The answer is 5. Guard. Number 13. His tenacity in the face of continued environmental failure is admirable. 1. Patience. 2. Foresight. 3. Persistence. 4. Decisiveness. 5. Overconfidence. The answer is 3. Persistence. Number 14. A pernicious solution is all that is necessary at this time to protect the forests. 1. Separate. 2. Quick. 3. Wise. 4. Loaded. 5. Significant. The answer is 4. Loaded. Number 15. Though her friend was irascible, Dina saw good qualities in her. 1. Unreasonable. 2. Irritable. 3. Suspicious. 4. Nervous. 5. Rough. The answer is 2. Irritable. We hope you learned something from our latest civil service exam drill. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. And don't forget to leave your comments and share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching.